This is Speak English channel. I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker Dr. Taj Firdausi. My dear students, I told you that once someone speaks some language, it should be spoken in the same way as a native speaker. How do we do that? It's a very big course, it's not a very small one, short one. And so many people say that speak English anything, anyway, whatever you want, speak out and then you will learn. That's all nonsense. You have to learn seriously, you have to learn. You should find out what's the basics and then you have to progress it properly. Otherwise, if a child takes a pen and puts all these nonsense lines, everything on the paper, afterwards you ask him to improve the handwriting. Already the lines are there, you have to erase it, you have to remove it. So it is a problem. So the best thing is, whatever language, if you are not a native speaker, then erase it out completely. And then you should sit with a perfect spoken English lecturer who has got post-graduation in English and spoken English. He has to have a degree in phonetics. Two things should be there. Otherwise, no use. How can anyone learn? The courses are there online. You have to find out the right person, if he or she speaks English in the same way. For example, I run my course, Speak English course. If you have got something to say, you have to start with, then you have to register your name, and it's already there, the number is on the screen. Contact, register, and then you join a group, and in the group you will start learning. First of all, you have to remove the spoken English, what you do now. There is no Indian English, Pakistani English, Japanese English, Arabian English. No, that's only English as English. Speak English as English in my